Sumaya from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Salamullah wa barakatuh.
So my question is, I have this problem in the salah, and it is OCD, I know, but it's a feeling of fear and anxiety that I have in my heart whenever I'm praying, and this feeling interferes with my recitation, and I forget what verse I was on, and it really confuses me, and I think a lot inside the salah, and sometimes my head hurts inside the salah. So I don't know how to fix this problem. If I ignore which verse should I recite from, I really don't know. I'm confused.
First of all, you have one of two courses: either to keep on fighting this wiswas and OCD and ignore it, or you leave salah. And of course, the latter is unthinkable. Leaving salat means that you've abandoned Islam. And this is exactly what shaitan is targeting. Why are you having OCD? Who's the cause and the perpetrator behind this? It's shaitan. It's Satan. All what he wants to confuse you, to distract you, to make you lose the sweetness of salat, to make you suffer and feel that prayer is a burden. You just want to get rid of it. And every time you have these whispers and get carried away with them, shaitan claps, is very happy, he's very pleased with you. The bad news is that Allah is angry with you because you are the cause of it. You're allowing shaitan to come in and to creep into your head and to mess up your thoughts. If you were to depend on Allah, rely on Him, make dua in sujood, oh Allah, protect me from such whispers and OCD, Allah would have done that for you. Besides, what is a pillar in salat is Fatiha. So if you recite the Fatiha and you recite something afterwards and you get confused, go for ruku', skip it. Just pray Fatiha, don't pray anything else. Is my prayer valid? 100%. Reciting a surah or a verse or more of the Quran after the Fatiha is voluntary. It's not mandatory. So what counts is the Fatiha. You do that and give it a shot, supplicating to Allah in sujood to protect you and to cure this illness of yours, blocking all such thoughts and whispers from shaitan, because you know it's from shaitan. That's strange. You know your enemy is telling you to do this, and you're adhering to him and listening to him. Whose fault is it? Definitely yours.